Let's understand the word amenable. Amenable describes someone who is willing to listen, agree, or accept suggestions. It can also mean something that can be influenced, controlled, or managed. An amenable person is cooperative and open to guidance or advice. Example 1. The manager was amenable to the team's new ideas for the project. In this sentence, amenable means the manager was open and cooperative. Example 2. These plants are amenable to indoor growing with the right care. In this sentence, amenable means the plants can adapt well to the indoor environment. Now, let's talk about some words that have a similar meaning: cooperative, agreeable, responsive, compliant. And now, a few words that represent the opposite idea: uncooperative, stubborn, resistant, inflexible.